Here is your complete enema kit. These are some instructions for use. This is the red rubber catheter that you will be inserting into your body. This is a moisture-proof underpad that you can place under your body. This is some Castile soap that you can use to clean the enema kit. This is the plastic tube. Remove and discard this strip. Cut and discard the end with the cap, which is already pre-lubricated. Open up the packaging containing the red rubber catheter. This piece is optional. It is the connector, which will connect the tubing to the catheter. You can purchase it separately in the store. Attach the plastic tube to the enema bucket via a little hole at the base of the enema bucket. First, we will demonstrate how to assemble the enema kit with the connector. Make sure it's on there nice and tight. Now we will remove the connector and connect the plastic tube directly to the red rubber catheter. Make sure those are together nice and tight. Once you've washed the enema kit before its first use, close the clamp, pour in the coffee, and make sure you get all the coffee silts that have settled at the bottom. This is a regular strength coffee solution that has been warmed to body temperature. Open the clamp. Then you're going to lift up the bucket and run the coffee through all the tubes so that there's no more air in the tubes. Close the clamp. You can add that coffee back into the bucket. Lubricate the red rubber catheter with a non-petroleum water-based lubricant. Then you can use these two holes on the sides of the bucket to place your red rubber catheter before use.